Welcome to our DIY interior design tutorial. Today, we're going to transform this ordinary bed into a stunning focal point using some simple components and creativity. Let's get started. We have a variety of components here, from panels to rails, legs, slats, and more. The possibilities are endless when it comes to decorating headboards and footboards. First, let's build the framework. Use connectors, screws, bolts, and nuts to securely attach the rails to the legs. Make sure everything is tightly fastened for stability. Now, let's add some personality with wooden panels. You can choose different sizes and shapes to create a unique pattern. Attach them to the frame using screws or brackets. For a cozy touch, consider upholstering a panel with fabric of your choice. Secure it to the footboard frame using staples or nails, ensuring a smooth finish. Enhance the look with decorative molding. Attach it around the edges of the headboard using adhesive or small nails. This adds dimension and visual interest. To finish off the design, add decorative finials to the top of the headboard and footboard. These small details can make a big difference in the overall look. And there you have it. With just a few simple components and a bit of creativity, you can completely transform the look of your headboard and footboard. Don't be afraid to experiment and make it your own. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. To learn more, visit rofhome.com.